In the heart of Columbus, a mother's quest for justice after her son's tragic shooting begins a pivotal trial. By Darius Spearman, African Elements. Support African Elements at patreon.com/AfricanElements and hear recent news in a continuous playlist during your morning commute. Plus get early access to ad-free video content. Columbus, Ohio. The trial against former Franklin County Sheriff's Deputy Jason Meade has finally begun, after over 3 years since the tragic shooting of Casey Goodson Jr. outside his grandmother's house on December 4, 2020. Meade faces 2 counts of murder and 1 count of reckless homicide, with jury selection extending into Monday night. Source: 10 TV. Incident background. While working on the Franklin County Sheriff's Office SWAT team, Meade was serving an arrest warrant unrelated to Goodson. The defense claims Goodson brandished a weapon at deputies, which Goodson's family disputes, stating he was merely entering his grandmother's house with a bag of sandwiches at the time. Notably, the officers lack body cameras, leaving no video evidence of the incident. Family stance. Tamala Payne, Goodson's mother, expressed a mixture of anticipation and sorrow as the trial progresses, hoping for closure and the beginning of the grieving process. Goodson, who had a concealed carry permit, was legally armed at the time of the shooting, adding layers to the family's quest for justice. Legal proceedings. Meade's legal team unsuccessfully sought to move the trial to federal court, arguing he was acting as a federal agent during the incident. However, a judge ruled the case would remain in state court. Opening statements are anticipated to start next Tuesday, with Meade currently out on bond. Community impact. The trial's commencement marks a pivotal moment for the community, seeking answers and accountability in a case that has lingered in public consciousness. As the trial unfolds, it promises to be a focal point for discussions on law enforcement accountability and the mechanisms of justice. About the author. Darius Spearman is a professor of Black Studies at San Diego City College, where he has been pursuing his love of teaching since 2007. He is the author of several books, including Between the Color Lines, A History of African Americans on the California Frontier through 1890. See more Black news and history content at AfricanElements.org.